Welcome to the pig stop. One of our subscribers actually requested for me to show the entire removal and assembly of the sprocket. Okay, this is how you remove. There's a C-ring here. You can see there's a C-ring here. Okay, I have a pointed screwdriver. What I do is I'll stick that in and I'll pry it out. You see the C-ring coming off now? Okay, that's the C-ring popping out. That's the thing that is holding the entire sprocket together. And now you can remove the entire assembly of the sprocket. Please take note of the layout. Okay, the bottom is the plastic dust cover, followed by the minus sprocket, and there's a washer here, a separator or spacer, and followed by the third, the plus sprocket. So to assemble it together, same thing, line it up. Okay, there's something here. Okay, if you look properly, you will see that this gap here is larger than the rest. So that's where the largest of the ring will sit in. This is the teeth. They will sit into the largest hole. Because if you try to assemble into other hole, it doesn't go in. Okay, so it helps you to align. That's one. Okay, now followed by the minus sprocket. Same thing, the minus sprocket has a marker here. I'll clean it. I'm supposed to clean this bite, but I have not yet cleaned. You can see that there's a arrow here. Okay, and you assemble it together. If you assemble on the wrong side, okay, take this instance where we assemble on the wrong side, there's a marker here as well, but we assemble it on the opposite side. But you notice that it will not go in, it will not fit. Okay, so it's only one way in. Okay, you rest assured you won't get it wrong. Same thing, the spacer, safe spacer, either side will be okay. And the plus sprocket. Plus sprocket also have a marker here. If you clean it a bit, and you can see, okay, plus sprocket. And there's actually a groove here to increase the space gap. Okay, and that's the part where you sit the other side. If you assemble the opposite side again, you will not go in. Okay, you can rest assured that you will get it right. Okay, it sits in nicely. And now finally the C ring. What I like to do is I hold 3/4 of it down. Okay, 3/4 semicircle of it down. The other side is on the opposite side, and I lock it in. Okay, it's a bit challenging at times, but shouldn't be a problem putting it back in. Okay, your spring, just be careful, hold tight. Okay, and it sits right in neatly. This is how you assemble and disassemble the sprocket. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.